What's up, guys? Today we're going over how to view your network statistics on your PlayStation Portal. So the new cloud streaming update where you can cloud stream your own games or remote play also added the option to view your network statistics. So if you go to the side menu and settings, there's nothing there, right? So you have to be in the context of a game to actually pull that up, okay? So I'm going to open this cloud streaming game, Ninja Gaiden 4. Then I'm going to hit my PlayStation button. Oh, wait, cancel. Yeah. See how it doesn't pop up? So I'm going to open Ninja Gaiden 4. And then when I press the PlayStation button on the left, see this troubleshoot button is there, but it's grayed out. We need to wait till we're actually connected to the game, and then we can connect. We can open that button and see what it does. And that wasn't there before the cloud streaming update. So you never really knew what kind of connection you were getting. But it's not going to be available until you actually get into a game, and then you'll be able to use it. Usually doesn't take this long to start the game, probably because I kept opening and closing the other ones. There we go. All right, so now, see this troubleshoot button? You have show network status. See if I can zoom in on that. Boom. Hit that button, and now you got cloud streaming stats. So I'm on my Wi-Fi. Right now it's averaging 720p. I'm out in the garage on 2.4 gigs. It's got the download, upload, and then the latency. So yeah, that's how you see your stats. If this video helped, please leave a like, and I'm going to do more basic like PlayStation Portal how-to videos in the future. See you guys.